Hey, hello, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you about the 5 fingers that are available in the palmistry. So before beginning, if you guys not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you guys have any doubt after watching this video, please do mention it in my below comment section, okay? And yes, please like and follow my Facebook community page, Parikshit Astrology also. So let's begin. Now coming to the second video of palmistry, I have explained about the different mounts in palmistry, but I have never showed you guys the image. So this is the image guys that I'm going to show you, so you can see it is available in the front of you. So first of all, coming to Jupiter's mount, which is there below the index finger. Okay, so that black circle that I have marked, and I have put at the arrow mark and written there Jupiter mount. So that part, only that much of part is known as the Jupiter mount below the index finger. The Saturn mount, yeah, below the middle finger. Sun mount is below the ring finger. Mercury mount is below the little finger or the pinky finger, and then Venus mount below the thumb finger, which covers the largest area in the our palm. Moon mount is next to the Venus mount. Upper Mars mount is above the Moon mount, and lower Mars mount is above Venus mount, and below you can say Jupiter mount, that is between Jupiter and Venus mount. So these are the different mounts in palmistry that are available. Now coming to, yeah, so this is the clear indication you can see about the different mounts in palmistry: Jupiter mount, Saturn mount, Sun mount, Mercury mount, lower Mars, upper Mars, Rahu you can see there, Ketu mount you can see there, Venus mount you can see there, and Mount Moon you can see there. So clearly you will get to know all this. Now coming to the 5 fingers in our palm, what does it represent? See, there are actually 5 fingers, as you know generally, but you didn't know that what those 5 fingers represent in our palm. Now index finger represents our Jupiter finger, middle finger represents Saturn finger, ring finger represents Sun finger, little finger represents Mercury finger, and finally thumb finger. Now the image I have shown you guys, see the thumb finger. So from above Venus mount to the end of the thumb finger, that is the whole thumb finger, you can cover that. And Jupiter finger you can see above the Jupiter mount, and Saturn finger above the Saturn mount, and Sun finger above the Sun mount, and Mercury finger about the Mercury mount. So that's how the fingers are represented in our palmistry, the whole thing. Now, 5 types of fingers in palmistry in details. Now, the length of fingers and personality. Long fingers signify a detail-oriented person or detail-oriented idea person. They think things through completely and tend to be critical of small details. Short fingers signify a person who is physically oriented, big picture person. They focus on real world items, usually in an overall manner. Now, coming to the index finger, that is the Jupiter finger. The index finger symbolizes the desire of a person. Now, see here, the index finger is the Jupiter finger. Okay, so that represents or that symbolizes the desire of the person. Such people favor domination and power. They are too ambitious and always authoritative if it's dominant. Okay, that means that if the finger is very much long and all. Now if by chance the index finger matches to the length of the middle finger, that means the middle finger and the index finger are same, then person is considered tough and difficult to move when it comes to choices, ideas, and achievements. Such people are lavish spenders and do not believe in savings. Now, long index finger indicates a natural leader. They are used to responsibility and have high standards for themselves and others. They tend to be drawn to self reflection, whether it is keeping a journal, therapy, or an interest in astrology or palm reading. Such people are inclined more towards holding power and controlling people. They are big show off and very socializing. Their life goals are high and good management for the loved ones. They are ready to spend with open arms. Now, a short index finger indicates a lower self esteem. They may hide behind a persona they create and have trouble expressing their true feelings and thoughts. They are more likely to suffer from health issues that stem from self neglect, such as smoking, alcoholism, or unhealthy eating habits. Now, such people do not favor and are jealous of the ones who are better or superior to them in any way. The lovable but are likely to face difficulty at work due to the nature of not accepting any suggestion from the opponent. Now, longer index finger points at supreme confidence, like you can read it as overconfidence. So if a person index finger is longer than the other two fingers in a question, they are a confident person. However, they need to keep this trait in check as it does border on arrogance at times. Nevertheless, this characteristics comes very handy when completing a project. They look forward to achieving their goals and stay focused when it comes to realizing their dreams. Now, middle finger. The middle finger or the Saturn finger signifies the destiny of a person because Saturn is karma. As you know, those who have long, straight, and round finger are considered to have a better destiny as compared to others. It indicates good health and wealth. They are mostly blessed with a fruitful career, good wealth, and healthy relationship. If the middle finger is short and thin, then it shows that the person is hardworking. Now, if it leans towards the ring finger, that means the person is too protected about the family. On the other hand, if the finger is thick or very impatient and full of impulse. A long middle finger is found on a person who takes rules seriously. They respect not only the letter of the law but also the intent behind it. They are serious and can sometimes be called boring. A short middle finger indicates a free spirit who marches to the beat of their own drum. Alternative paths seem highly attractive if it indicates that person is impatient and lacks hope. He or she does not trust their work and are very scared when it comes to love matters as they do not want to lose the one they love. Now, coming to pinky finger or little finger, a long pinky finger indicates good communication skills and a natural ability with money. A short pinky finger indicates a difficulty in expressing yourself or developing the ability to communicate effectively may seem more difficult but will greatly help to relieve frustration. The later finger signifies children and the youth. If the finger is extremely short and bends, then the person is likely to worry about their children's activity. It is also called the second thumb. It is considered to exhibit traits like wisdom, communication skills, and art. If the finger is shorter than the first knuckle of the ring finger, then shows a lack of success and fortune. Subsequently, long finger shows aggressiveness, good career, strength, and stress-free fortune. A low set pinky can indicate the need for a supportive father figure. Now, coming to the thumb finger, short thumbs indicate a lower ability to stick things out when they get tough. Those who have short thumbs need to trust themselves. They need to put in a lot of effort to prove themselves and excel. Such people are down to earth and slowly climb the ladder of success with hard work and patience. They are not the show off kinds, instead, they are humble. Now, long terms indicate high level of self discipline and perseverance. People with long term are often blessed with love of elders and academic excellence. They have good fortune, accelerated progress in life, and also a strong body. When it comes to career, they are confident, aspire to a high quality life, and initiate the love for others without waiting for others to love them. Before a person who has thick and solid thumb is considered to be blessed by or her parents all the time. They are very practical when it comes to money and spending wisely. Such people are known for keeping up the promise and also living a simple life. So flat, thin, and uneven thumb are people with this kind of thumb are opposite to the thick and solid ones. They are always impatient and do not like to slow and study planned kind of life. Such people are always on the lookout for enjoyment. Now, coming to the ring finger, it indicates the love and family aspect of human's life. If it tilts or lean towards the middle finger, then it depicts his utmost dedication for the family in all ways. If the finger bent towards the little finger, then it shows fondness of children. If the finger matches the length of the middle finger, then person is likely to enjoy gambling of all kinds. They enjoy stock markets and other such related investments. If you have a long finger which is shorter than the middle finger, then you are a person who calculates everything step by step. Such person such people are planners and also good lovers. On the other hand, people with short ring fingers are much more grounded. They are realistic and slow, which leads to a slow increase in income. They love boat sails smoothly for them. Now, if a person has longer ring finger, which means if it is longer than their index finger, then she are blessed with a charming personality. Such is their prowess that they can talk yourself out of a given situation and live scot free. People are obviously charmed by them and they wish to follow them everywhere. They are quite the risk taker and are seemingly good at solving problems too. Given their skill set, they are mostly like to pick professions like engineering, detectives, police, army, or special arms forces. If a person ring's finger and index finger are the same length, then just like the balance in length, they love balance. In short, they are peacemakers. They hate conflict and wish to maintain peace between friends, family, and even strangers. Why? They are all well organized, just like their minds. So, however, people often mistake them for being docile, but there is a fiery mind within that can lash out suddenly if pushed too far. So, can see the hands of Amitabh Bachchan. That's an example. So, yep, this is it for today, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below or else I'll see you in the next video. So, if you want any consultancy, please to contact my given below WhatsApp number or else you can even mail me also. So, if you want even palmistry uh, consultancy, please to contact to the given below WhatsApp number. So, thank you. Bye bye. Love you. Take care.